Where Stars Come From by MORELLI. Special treatment version 3 for a square diamond painting of the design. We've got, first and foremost, Periwinkle Pearls that we have sprinkled on the blue areas on the bottom of the picture. So these are the blue beads that you see. These are the Periwinkle Pearls that we have sprinkled just to give it an added light. Aside from that, we also have Sapphire Diamonds that we have sprinkled on the dark blue areas of the trees. So these are the Sapphire Diamonds, as well as lining it up for the creature staff. That's Sapphire Diamonds over there. And finally, for version 3, we have electric diamonds that we have placed on the moon, so fill in the moon, as well as some of the star specks in the sky. So for the round diamond painting, we have the star gems, which we will not be able to use for the square diamond painting. So instead of having the star gems for the stars, you can simply replace the regular beads that you normally would get for these stars that are hanging from the tree and replace it with the electric diamonds that you get for this special treatment. Aside from that, you also can add more electric diamonds in areas that don't even have the white specks, just to add more stars to the picture. As you can see here, if we move this, there are no white specks, but you can sort of make it your own and add it to the areas that you would like to have more stars, so that it really brings out the magic in this design. You can add the electric diamonds for the wand as well for this section of the creature's staff. And once again, for Where Stars Come From by MORELLI, square canvas, version 3 special treatment, we have square periwinkle pearls right over here, and then the rest are all round shaped, and these are the sapphire diamonds and the electric diamonds.